In Anumana Pramana, Series 6, Part 1, we have discussed about the introduction of Tarka. Now, in Series 6, Part 2, we are going to understand or study in detail about the classical as well as Darshana references about Tarka, each and every aspects of Tarka, ideas of Darshana about Tarka, ideas of Ayurveda about Tarka. All these will be detailedly analyzed in this part. Chakrapani, the commentator of Charaka Samhita, in his commentary, he have mentioned Tarka as Tarko Apratyaksha Jnanam. Means he considered Tarka as a Apratyaksha Jnana. Means a knowledge that is not derived out of Pratyaksha. You know well in detail about Pratyaksha Jnana, and we have discussed about Pratyaksha Jnanas, types, etc. So, according to him, Tarka is a Apratyaksha Jnana. He mentioned about this while he was explaining the concept of Anumana. Acharya Charaka has explained Anumana as Anumanam Kalu Tarko Yukti Apeksha. According to Charaka, the Yukti associated with Tarka is considered as Anumana, or the application of Yukti Pramana associated with a Tarka is considered as Anumana. So, here according to Charaka, Tarka is nothing but the quest for knowledge. Reasoning applied in the quest for knowledge is considered as Anumana. Yukti applied with Tarka is called as Anumana. The reasoning applied for the quest of truth is called as Anumana. Here, the quest for truth is considered as Tarka. सच जानने की जो इच्छा, उस इच्छा पे जब हम रीजनिंग भी डालते हैं तो वो अनुमान प्रमाण हो जाएगा. So, Tarka is very important in getting Anumana Pramana. According to Tarka Bhasha, Tarka is defined as Tarko Anishta Prasangaha. Here Prasanga means detailed discussions. Tarka is the establishment of Vyapya and Vyabhaga based on detailed discussion. This is the explanation given by Tarka Bhasha. Establishment of Vyapya and Vyabhaga. What is Vyapya? What is Vyabhaga? Vyapya is the less extensive thing. Vyabhaga is the largely extensive thing. Less extensive thing and greater extensive thing. The discussion done between less extensive and greater extensive thing is considered as tarka. By this, we come to an end to series 6 part 2 and will be continued in series 6 part 3.